Transfer local wireless network data to the handheld. To transfer the local wireless network data to your handheld, open the OccluSense iPad app and select Settings. Then tap on Connection. You have to follow 3 steps on the screen. First, tap Next. Now enter your network name and password. Once the data has been entered, tap Next and connect your iPad to the same network. A successful connection between the handheld and the wireless network is indicated by the green bars and the first 6 characters of the wireless network in the upper left corner of the handheld screen. From now on, the app will be connected to the handheld via this network. Now the iPad has to be connected to the same local wireless network. In order to do this, please go to the settings of your iPad. Tap on Wi-Fi. The available networks will be displayed. Select your local wireless network and restart your OccluSense iPad app. Now you have transferred successfully your local wireless network data to the handheld. If the connection between the handheld and the wireless network has failed, the connection status is indicated on the handheld screen by transparent status bars. In this case, you have to reset the handheld to factory default before you transfer the wireless network data again.